This is how Sweet Pea gets when he gets his things cleaned. I personally find it hilarious. What did that bell ever do to you, Sweet Pea? Clean it. What are you doing? You're attacking it. I also cleaned his mirror, which is, well, I don't think you can see it. I'm actually viewing it from right here, so yes, major freaking face zooming. Okay, that's the mirror. I just cleaned that today, as well as that bell that he's attacking viciously. I don't know why he's attacking it viciously, but he's attacking it viciously. Sweepy! Look who it is. It's you! See, he gets distracted by his own reflection. And if I pull it away... I'm actually using my mother's new tablet. So that's why the video quality is better. And yes, I grew out my hair. Believe it or not, it is brushed. But yeah, that is it for today. Welcome to my house, by the way. And this is Cryptic signing off. Hope to see you guys soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Not similar to this, but more Don't Starve on the computer, and possibly some more funny animal antics, like with the cat. Which, Max! Come here, Max. Which is him. This is Max. This is my grandma's cat. He's a little cream of shy, isn't he? Okay. Okay. Again, this is signing off. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, please. It would help me out immensely, especially when I don't have a job right now. I'm trying to find one. And internet is my last resort.